So basically it's an October-November 2020 sum, variant 22. Okay. Sum for incomplete records. Can you read the sum, please?
Anjali is a sole trader. She does not maintain a full set of accounting records. At 1st October 2019, the assets and liabilities of Anjali were as follows.
Okay, so on 1st
Then the
October,
amount.
you have certain assets and liabilities, and on 30th
Hmm.
of September, you have the transactions. Okay,
Hmm.
so you have some assets and liabilities, and you have some transactions that is on the first date and on the last date. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Now, what do they want you to calculate? Look over there.
They want us to calculate the bank balance at
Okay.
30th
So they want you
September.
to calculate the bank balance. Can you tell me how will you proceed to calculate the bank balance?
You make the bank account.
Just 3 months, okay? So you will make the bank
And
account.
then when you make the.
Okay, fine. Let's see what is the information that is related to the bank account.
Hmm.
So you have a bank debit balance of 4,600.
Yeah.
So I will write it on the debit side. Yes.
Yeah.
Below that you will have expenses paid. Can you see this?
Yeah.
So you have expense that is paid.
11,480.
Then
Then
50.
after that, there is payment.
Yeah, then
Then receipts 73,850 on the debit side.
yeah, then
Then there is a rental income 9,000.
hmm.
Where is
After
Seva? Those two
that,
income.
after that what?
Oh wait, I'm just reading it.
Anjali has made drawings of 600 per month throughout the year. So she
Hmm.
has made some drawings, that means money has gone out.
Yeah,
How much money has gone out?
$600 per month. So 600 into 12.
So that is 600 into 12 is the drawings that she has made,
7,200.
7,200. So now they want you to calculate the drawing, the bank balance. Are you with me?
Yeah,
Can you give me the debit total?
yeah. One sec. 87,450.
Sorry, 87,450.
87,450.
Yeah, what is the credit total?
You minus it. Wait.
Are you getting
18,520.
80?
18,520 is the difference between both of them.
I want the credit total.
Acha, total. Wait.
68,930.
Yeah, 68,950.
That means the debit total is more.
Yeah.
So what is the difference? Balance closed down.
18,520.
So the bank balance is how much?
18,520.
18,520. Now what do they want you to make? What do they want you to prepare? Income statement. Are you with
Yeah.
me? Income statement
Yeah.
always starts with revenue.
Hmm.
What does it start with?
Revenue.
From the revenue. Now check. Let's see the things that is related to the income statement. Come on. General expenses will be what?
Other expenses.
Rental income received, what will this be?
This will be other income.
Return inwards is what?
Return inwards, sales return, so will come after the revenue.
So should I write return inwards over here?
Yeah.
How much is return inwards?
Return inwards is 2070.
Okay. Then you have purchase return.
Yeah, this will come in cost of sales.
So should I write less cost of sales?
Yeah.
In that, what will I write?
Purchases.
Opening
Then you
inventory,
minus the
add
purchase
purchases,
return.
minus the purchase
Yeah.
return. What is the purchase return? 1290.
Purchase return is 1290.
Okay, fine. So this is done, this is done. Okay. Now you have opening inventory. Now all receipts and payments were processed through the bank account. Can you see this? So whatever you have received and whatever you have paid is going through the bank account. You have bad debts of how much?
Plus bank account, yeah.
You have bad debts
Bad
of
debts is
2300. You have your closing inventory. You have your opening inventory. Are you with me?
Miss, where is opening and closing event?
See on the first
Acha,
date,
ऊपर I can see it.
opening inventory.
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah,
So now I can
14,500.
write this opening inventory over here 14,500.
Yeah.
Adjustments related to purchase I will put inside. Okay. Opening
Yeah.
inventory add purchases minus the closing inventory.
18,000 is closing inventory.
I have closing inventory as 18,000. This will give me my cost of sales, and when I minus the cost of sales, I will get gross profit.
Yeah.
From the information that I have, I am doing it. Okay. Then I have other income also. What is other income? Rental income.
Yeah.
So I'm just adding it. Only one other income. Are you with me?
Yeah.
I don't know any other thing. Less other expenses. What are your other expenses?
The general expenses,
How much?
11,480.
What else do you have?
Then
Can you see irrecoverable debts?
yeah, 2,300.
How much?
2,300.
2,300. I can see I have non-current assets carrying value.
So you can find
Opening carrying
depreciation.
value and closing carrying value. I have two values, right? Opening carrying value and closing carrying value.
Yeah.
So that means I have depreciation, opening minus closing.
Yeah.
It is opening plus purchases minus closing minus sold. So opening is 85,000. Do you have
But is
any
it sold?
purchases? Sorry?
But it's not sold now, and there are no
I will
purchases.
follow this formula, right? If it's not there, we'll put 0.
Okay.
So you have opening. Do you have purchases?
No.
You have closing?
Yeah,
You have sold.
72 to 50.
Yes. Do you have sold?
No.
No. So I will do 85,000 minus 72 to 50.
So 12,750.
750.
Yeah.
Now I have filled in all the information that I had. I filled opening inventory. I did depreciation. Now I have trade payables opening balance, trade receivable opening balance. I have payment to trade payable, receipts from trade receivables. I have purchases and sales return. I have bad debts and closing trade receivables and trade payables. So this
Yeah.
is the way of preparing, finding out profit.
Yeah.
In way two, how do you find out revenue?
You will make an SLCA.
I will make SLCA. And how do I find out purchases?
PLCA.
PLCA. So let's make the SLCA and the PLCA.
Hmm.
Come on, SLCA.
12,850 on the debit side.
Okay,
Then there
PLCA.
is
Okay.
70
So trade payables balance is how much?
9,930.
And trade receivable is?
12,850.
So to do this, you should be very through with your SLCA and PLC account.
Yeah.
Payment to trade payables, which side?
On the for PLCA ना PLCA के लिए we'll write on the debit side,
And for SLCA,
credit side.
we are making this to find out what?
The amount that we paid to the no
Credit
to find the
purchases and
revenue and
credit
purchases.
sales. Yeah.
Hmm.
I know what is going to be my balancing figure.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
This is done, this is done, this is done, this is done. Now, return inward, sales return.
The sales return will come on the credit side.
On the
So
credit side.
two,
Yeah, sorry.
2070.
And purchase return will come on the
Debit side 1290.
1290. So this is sales return, this is purchase return. Bad debts,
Bad debts 2,300 will come on the credit side.
and closing balance of trade receivable.
On the credit side 14,980.
Closing balance of trade payables.
11,470 on the debit side.
Okay, fine. So I can find my credit sales and I can find my credit purchases.
Hmm.
So the credit side of SLCA will be more. So it is 73,850 plus 2070 plus 2,300 plus 14,980. So it is 93,200
Yeah.
minus 12,850. So 80,350 is my credit sales. Yes.
Yeah.
Now credit purchases, it will be 50,250 plus 1,290 plus
Total of
11,470.
63,010. Yeah.
From 63,010, what will you subtract?
You'll subtract 9,930.
So you will
So it'll
get
be
53,080.
53,080.
So this is 53,080. Now I'll do my normal calculations.
Hmm.
Sales minus sales return. Correct?
58,280.
Opening inventory at purchases. What is the total of purchases? 53,080 minus 1,290
51790.
minus 18,000
Minus
48,290.
48,290. Yeah.
What is my gross profit? Revenue minus cost of sales, that is 78,280 minus 48,290.
29,990.
Add rental income 9,000.
Yeah, and minus
So it is 38,990 minus other expenses. What is the total of your expenses? 11,480 plus 200 plus 12,750. So the total of this is 25,930. So you get your profit for the year. 38,990 minus 25,930.